Guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are liking the analysis of index. Let's see what happened today in a smaller time frame. See, we said this yesterday. What if Nifty opens flat? See, Nifty opened flat, found beautiful dojis, and as soon as Nifty closed above this crucial resistance level of 24,680, we expected a move till this level, as told yesterday. But Nifty closed at day's high. Let's see, tomorrow being an expiry in Nifty, we can think this level will come either tomorrow or on Friday. So what can happen tomorrow if by chance we open flat? Then we can see a sideways move, then this move. If we open gap down, then also we can see a sideways move to up move. So more or less either in range or a move towards 24,830, which is pending. So I'm hopeful of Nifty crossing this level very soon. Coming back to Nifty Bank. See how beautifully Fibo has played to the Nifty Bank. Just to show you what happened today. Nifty Bank opened below this line. Okay. So it came here, it took support of this important level. Okay. And if you see, many users anchor VWAP also. So if we take the low of the last swing low, if we place the anchor VWAP there also, we can see there was a confluence of Fibo plus anchor VWAP. So we were very bullish here. That's the reason we initiated a call in our premium group, which gave a very good returns. Then again, a shakeout, call right there was there, a fall, near resistance, then see again, formed a beautiful double bottom, which we updated on our Telegram page also. Put support of 61.8 and see the rally. Almost 50,373 to 50,772. So what a beautiful rally it has been. So what can happen tomorrow? Tomorrow again same. If we open flat, then we can see a rally tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Okay. See, it has formed a type of HNS, but it was negated today. Okay, so HNS was failed. So what can happen if we open flat? We can expect a good move towards 51,000. If we open a little downside also, then also we can expect a good move towards 51,000 tomorrow. So I'm expecting a good move in Nifty Bank tomorrow. Now see Nifty Financial Index clearly told that yesterday was expiry, so today don't expect much bigger moves. See, opened here and full day it was in consolidation range. At last, because of Bank Nifty, it gave a quite a good spike. So again, this level 23,100 to 23,200 is a crucial level in Nifty Financial Index. Expecting it to be in this range tomorrow only. One of the best place index is Nifty Midcap. See why we have taken some trades today also in Nifty Midcap. I will explain you why Nifty Midcap is very good. See guys, same. Opened here, gave a shakeout and see this rally. Once candle was closed above this rally, 12,860 levels, we are sure that it will move up only. And see how beautiful, some consolidation and a breakout again. So it closed near 12,936, expecting a move towards 13,000 tomorrow. Okay, and if we this remains an important support, 12,890, 12,860, these all are important support. I'm expecting a good rally in Nifty mid cap also. And guys, again, if you see HDFC Bank last 15 minute price action, a good volume. Someone has taken a good quantity of HDFC Bank. That's why I'm bullish on Nifty Bank tomorrow. If you see Kotak Mahindra Bank also, good volume. Let's see ICICI Bank. ICICI and the volume was very high. But HDFC and Kotak's volumes are very good. How does Axis do it? Axis also this volume was very not good. So, but the I'm expecting some good clear moves tomorrow. And if you remember, I clearly told keep and watch on metals. See how beautifully metals have moved since when we have alerted from this level. Metals has touched this level also. So a gap is pending towards this level, which can also be filled very soon. Already we have seen a good rally in metals. So guys, please hit the like button if you have liked our video. Do subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much, guys.